So I stayed the night at Cottonwood Recreation Site, and so we'll do a walking tour of this campground now. It is 15 miles north of Challis, Idaho on Highway 93. And there is 13 sites available. There is no electrical, but there is water at each site. So that's nice. And it's right beside the Salmon River. People have left already. These sites by the bank are more private, like there's more room between them versus the ones by the river. Of course, famous me, I rolled in and got the last site last night, number 2, and it's by the river. But the ones by the river are you're closer to your neighbors, so that's the drawback. If you want more privacy, then you go on the opposite side of the river. But this is my view from my campsite, so pretty nice. Now we'll take a walk to the day use area. There's dumpsters, and I love that it's all paved too. Very nice. We'll stop at the information kiosk here, and I will tell you that it costs $10 a night. And water is available from April 1st to September 30, and otherwise it's $5 a night. And of course, if you have the yearly pass, the golden age or whatever it's called, you get it at 50% off. And you pay after you've stayed. Like you stay however many nights you want and then you pay. So that's kind of nice. Most places make you pay up front. I just want to show you this too. There's a little memorial here. Well, Joan Morley, volunteer from 2000 to 2008. But this guy, Dwayne Wilson, he's been the campground host for 20 plus years and really fixed this place up. So way to go, Dwayne. Now, I have a confession. I loathe vault toilets. I try and avoid staying at places that have vault toilets, but this is my only option. But I want to show you these ones. This is very, very, of all the vault toilets I've ever been in, this is the most special one. And here is why. Look at, oh, incredible. A mural to entertain you. And it's got a fox and jays. And it has electricity. It has a light in here. It's pretty amazing. And this is the men's toilet. They can have the fish. I mean, they're cool. But I like the women's better. Creaky door. Okay, moving on to nicer things, although that was pretty special. They have horseshoes here. A very lovely lawn. Like, whoa. You could set up your croquet here and have a fun old time. And, well, let's go to the horseshoe pit first. I mean, they even supply the horseshoes. Looks really fun. And the mountains in the background. This is really a nice campground. And then the day use pavilion. And there's power there, so you can charge up your stuff if you need to. So people obviously come here to go fishing. So we'll go to the spot that they go to. Boat launch. I'm surprised there's nobody fishing here this morning. But what do I know? I don't fish, so maybe it's not the right time of day. Anyways, yeah, last evening there was a lot of people here trying to catch something, and I think they did too. They have a dump station here, but it costs $5 to use it. I think that's crazy, but anyways, there is that option. You can have nice views while you're dumping. This campground is aptly named. Lots of cottonwoods. Would I stay here again? Yes, yes I would. I can recommend this campground. It is a lovely, well-maintained campground. It would be off the charts if they had flush toilets. But it's a BLM campground, so I guess this is what you get. The price is very, very good. I hope you will get to check it out someday. And there will be more campground tours in the future. I thank you for watching.